and pi bonds. Generally, big concepts students can read well, they will learn, but they are doing mistakes in small concepts. Sigma pi bonds calculation like this. So this is one strong area for competitives. Number of sigma pi bonds calculation they are asking for NEET, JEE, CET also. That's why if you learn like this simple concept, you will score better. And here I am explaining some tricks to calculate sigma and pi bonds in organic compounds. First I am taking here number of sigma bonds. How to calculate sigma bonds? How to calculate sigma bonds? This is sigma bond. To calculate sigma bond, we have a simple trick formula, that is n minus 1. Here n equal to number of atoms. Number of atoms. Clear? Shall we discuss now. What is the formula? N minus 1 to calculate sigma bonds, where n stands for number of atoms. Go for example here. I am taking CH4, simple well-known molecule. Total n minus 1 sigma bonds are present. N means what? Number of atoms. 4 hydrogens, 1 carbon. 5 minus 1, that equal to 4, means 4 sigma bonds are present. 4 sigma bonds. I will cross check this. 1 carbon bonded with tetrahedrally with 4 hydrogens. So how many sigma bonds are there here now? 1, 2, 3, 4. So our formula is correct now. This is the trick. One more I am explaining to you. Go for here. C2H6 ethane. Go for now. N minus 1. Number of atoms 6 plus 2. 2 carbons plus 6 hydrogens. That equal to 8 atoms. Minus 1. That equal to 7. 7 sigma bonds. Let me cross check this. C, single bond C, 3 hydrogens, and here 3 hydrogens. 3 hydrogens. Calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sigma. So our formula working here. This is the method to calculate sigma bonds. What about pi bonds? How to calculate pi bonds? So I am explaining formula for pi bonds. So we have a simplest formula to calculate pi bonds, that is 2x plus 2 minus y upon 2. This is one mathematical formula. What is here? xy means x equal to number of carbon atoms. What is x? Number of carbon atoms. What is y means? Number of hydrogen atoms. Number of hydrogen atoms. Clear? Number of carbon atoms, number of hydrogen atoms. That is for pi bonds. I am taking here one molecule. Example. Go for here. C2H4. And now we have to cross check pi bonds. 2 into x. X means number of carbon atoms. How many carbons are there? 2. Plus 2 minus y. Y means what? Hydrogen atoms. How many hydrogens? 6. Upon 2. That is equal to 2 into 2 4 plus 2 plus 2 6. Clear? 6 minus 6 by 2, 0 by 2, that equal to 0. So here pi bonds not there. In this molecule 0 pi bond. Clear? Now I am taking another molecule C2H4. C2H4. Now come to here formula 2 into X. X nothing but carbon atoms. 2 plus 2 minus Y. Y nothing but hydrogen atoms. 4 hydrogens are there upon 2. That is equal to 2 into 2 4 plus 2 minus 4 upon 2. That is equal to 2 plus 4 plus 2 6. 6 minus 4 by 2 nothing but 2 by 2 nothing but 1. 1 pi bond is there. How can we know? Shall you write here? C double bond C. Here 1 hydrogen and here 1 hydrogen. Here 1 hydrogen and here 1 hydrogen. And this is the structure of ethene. Now you calculate sigma and this is pi. This is sigma, this is sigma, this is sigma. How many sigma bonds are there? We already calculated. Pi bonds how many? 1 pi bond. 1 pi bond. Here 1 pi bond we got. And this is the formula you have to remember to calculate number of pi bonds. For any molecule you can go for this. And here we have formula that is for sigma bonds. If rings are given for rings are substituted rings. If rings cyclic compounds like benzene or substituted rings are given, then how to calculate? And giving here formula for sigma bonds. For sigma bonds you have to calculate. Here what we did? N minus 1. Same. N minus 1 plus R you remember. N minus 1 plus R. What is N I told here? Number of atoms. What is here R? Number of rings. Clear? Chal example I will explain. Example you take benzene C6H6. Go for sigma bonds. N minus 1. Number of atoms 12 minus 1 plus, you know benzene ring very well. This is single ring. So plus 1. And plus 1 minus 1 cancelled and you are getting 12 sigma bonds. You cross check, it will be same. Next, this is for any molecule like this you have to calculate. This is the formula. And now pi bonds, how to calculate? Pi bonds. So in rings, how to calculate pi bonds? And here we have the formula, very easy, that is pi bonds equal to 4n plus 2 by 2. 4n plus 2 by 2. What is here n? N nothing but number of rings. Clear? N nothing but number of rings. And you go for now. Same for benzene you calculate. C6H6. Clear? 4n means 4 into n 1 plus 2 by 2. That is equal to 4 plus 2 by 2, that is equal to 6 by 2, that equal to 3. 3 pi bonds we have now in benzene ring. You know very well. Here I am drawing benzene ring. 3 pi bonds. So 3 pi. You can use this formula. You can use this formula to calculate pi bonds. This is how to calculate sigma and pi bonds for organic compound. So 3 for normal open chain, n-1 for sigma bond, n number of atoms, pi bonds 2x plus 2 minus y by 2, where x for carbon atom, y for hydrogen atom. This is pi bond. This is for open structure. If closed structures given, then sigma bonds n-1 plus r, n nothing but number of atoms total, r nothing but number of rings, where pi bonds equal to 4n plus 2 by 2, where n stands for number of rings, and I calculated here for this. Clear?